This is a fit for a 2015 through 2020 and likely beyond Subaru Outback with factory installed crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima OffGrid medium rooftop cargo basket with the OffGrid Extension. We found this to be an ideal fit for maximum capacity. There is no interference with the fully open rear hatch. Overall, excellent proportions in perfect match to the proportions of the side rails. The wind fairing is included to minimize wind drag and wind noise. Mounting hardware attaches directly to the factory stowed crossbars when in the crossbar configuration. That hardware has Yakima lock housings to utilize Yakima lock cores, which are sold separately. Also included are removable crossbars, which are currently removed. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.